So welcome everyone to our Kauka Dumb Charades. Hey, Amgela, first time we are trying this out. Normally, dumb charades, Malari, it's always done in person. A person stands and you give something activity to that person in the year, and then that person enacts it. So Preeti and me were thinking, let's try to see if this can work online. And this is our first attempt. Let's see how it works. And we have prepared a list of all the activities and all that are to be done. What we'll do is I will go through the names that are there, whoever is enlisted to act one by one. And once that name of that person is taken out, Preeti will message that activity, the one of the list of that activity to that person. And then that person can, start enacting, and whoever wants to guess it, unmute yourself and guess it. So clear, Sway, if you have got any questions, please ask right now.
Act करता and video on the work.
Why? Only thing mute aska. You can't. It shouldn't be vice versa. It shouldn't be video off korche and mute on kon sangche.
Why? Ani tumke dilal activity please ghatti more nakati. Don't say it aloud. Whatever activity is given to you in the chat window, just read it silently. Don't say it. And some people can do lip reading, so don't even say it.
Right. So idea is mainly to have fun, and person who's on mute, you can actually go and pin their video if you want to see them in big screen, but otherwise you can just see them normally if you want. And we will go through the list, and we saw that there are many kids who have registered as well. So we have categorized the activities as easy, medium, and hard. So if there are kids, we will give them easy activities so that they can also get involved and participate in this dumb charade activity. So let's get started.
Timer.
A timer na the sheets. So tashkele fixed rule. But we can wait for a couple of minutes. If it is not that, you just say give up 2-3 minutes, and then we can move on to the next.
Kedar, minute. One question. Mladi, suppose one person wants to take part. For example, you, Mladi, or say me. Tari tu mak di unchwe topic hankal maim kor kamano.
Why? Now, suppose to participate coaches dumb charade activity na, you would have registered in that list that we provided.
Okay.
Sheet antu, you would have registered. Now this is sir, so you have registered there.
Yes.
Why? So now when your turn comes, I will go through the list one by one. So when your turn comes, I will read out the person. Now suppose Tugal, now sir, I'll say Shilapachi. And then you will be ready for your turn. That means you're the one. Then Preeti will message you the activity. So for example, Kalesan activity asler, okay? And then you will have to enact it, and others will have to guess it by unmuting themselves and do it. And thode activities am chikka tough kelanti, and we don't want exact words. If you get it 95% there, then the main idea is mainly to get together and have fun here. There's nothing like winners or losers. We just want everyone to participate and have fun here.
Got it, Kedar.
Okay, so I start Korea. First, actually, it was Nitin Pai and Vandita Pai. I don't know whether they are there. I didn't see them.
Cash prize any naam hai?
Cash prize na, Ramesh.
Kassa na.
Ramesh, tu kal Tesla matra sa.
Hey, that Tesla, we are keeping it for the bingo.
Acha, very good.
Khushi mantas kharech rahe.
Wait, Baba, how to ke? आप personally on to ke ride deta जात के?
Ramesh, and you can't shout from there bingo because this is dumb charades, not bingo.
Oh, I forgot. Baba, bingo म्हणले कोण येईल आज?
Okay, first person it will be Vihan Bhatt.
Vihan, tu chat window on det, okay?
So can everyone see Vihan? Please focus on Vihan. If you want to enlarge him, you can in fact pin his video. It will come on top. Just right click on the video and pin on top. That will enlarge his video. So if anyone wants to guess, please unmute yourself and guess.
Book, book.
Is
a
it
book?
reading?
Reading. Reading. Okay.
Study?
Prayer.
Prasad. Offering.
Water.
Oh, Quran.
Chanting. Yeah, chanting. Bhagavad Gita. Are you talking about a text?
Food.
Food. Okay. No.
Outside.
Cooking recipe book.
Oh, voice. Sound.
Book. Reading.
अरे unmute केला.
Reading.
Story book.
Storytelling va?
हाँ storytelling mala.
Oh, okay.
Well, excellent. Well done, Vihan.
Good job, Mama. Good job, Vihan. Very Good job, Vihan.
Thank you, Kushi.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kushi.
Next is Vishwas Bhatt.
Okay, right. Mak hard va.
Sorry, Kona.
Vishwas Bhatt.
Good to know. Vishwas.
One request for the person who is actually doing the actions, please. Tumi pakkan table arikale dakita sujala see that your laptop is showing that action.
And again, Sankta sir, if you right click on the top and say pin video, you can see that person in big screen.
Khain kedar?
Suppose at the Vihan alasna video,
Right.
if you just hover on that video and right click kelari, दोन options asati, chat or pin videos.
Okay.
The pin video kelari, you can see that person because at the mute is na, so the video won't focus on him. Normally speaker view it focuses on the speaker.
Yeah.
But now Tanzania Zalari, you have to do pin video.
Okay.
On iPhone, you can do it.
One. And control
Screen.
Close the door.
Outdoor. Door. Door.
Lockdown.
Lockdown.
Board.
Lockdown stress.
Worried. Lockdown. Mental.
Depression.
Mental lockdown end. Coronavirus.
COVID.
Shelter at home.
When will it end? Lock, correct, sir. Yes, lock. We got it. It's something to lock. And then
Get the zata.
when the lockdown will end?
When will it end?
When can we go out?
Post lockdown.
Frustrated. Oh,
Lockdown frustration.
yeah.
Frustration in lockdown.
Yes.
Just frustrated. Okay.
Like, who said that? Frustration. That is the right word.
Frustrated with lockdown.
Yeah, that was the.
So, Anek Samari, a good idea to give a clue. For example, your clue has 2 words or 3 words, right? So that way, then you can split it into a first word, second word, and things like that. Or if you have more words, you can say, you take a hand and say you can put it in 4 words or something like that, right?
5 words.
Yeah.
4 words, 3 words.
Yeah, even you can use your fingers to say 4 words, 5 words, and things like that. You can say third word, first words, things, you know. Ma kya na? How kasane dumb charade ni? How kasane ke lare kuni guess karna de?
And once you
I have
split that
idea.
up into parts, then you can say, okay, you got the first part, the second part, the third
Correct.
part. That way, it
Correct.
kind of puts it all together.
Ramesh, we are planning a very good, difficult word for you, so don't worry.
Ayyo.
The more Ramesh says, the more he gets cornered.
Okay, the next person is Kavya Bhatt, and really appreciate, you know, entire family is participating. Very nice. So Kavya Bhatt is the newsreader from KKNC.
Ready, Kavya?
Driving.
Driving.
Sharing.
No driving. No driving.
2 words. 2 words. Okay.
Stop
Second
driving.
word.
No
Second word.
driving.
Second word.
Second word.
Second word.
Second word. Second word is
Driving.
Driving.
no.
Car. Bus. Auto.
Travel.
Bus. Train. Plane.
Second word traveling.
Travel.
Second
Travel.
word is travel. Okay.
First word.
No
Can't
travel.
When can
Cannot
you travel?
travel.
When can
Ban.
I travel?
When
Ban
can you
on
travel?
traveling. Ban on traveling.
Bored of not traveling.
Only 2
2
words.
Right?
2
Only
words.
2 words.
Travel is the second word. Cannot travel.
Cannot travel.
Fed up travel.
Cannot travel.
Restriction travel.
No travel. No travel.
No
That-
travel.
No
This
travel.
is very
Not able to travel.
not able to travel.
Restricted travel.
Travel diary.
Sounds like
Worried.
Travel. Air travel. No.
Don't know.
Travel.
Ban.
The travel.
Ban.
Travel is the second word.
Forgotten travel.
Well traveled.
Koru zaina. Mun bazarayla. Travel koru zaina mun bazarayla.
Frustrating travel.
Everything is frustrated.
Failed travel.
Disappointed.
Some other action. Cut the word into half.
Can't travel.
Classes. Writing board.
Teacher.
Teaching travel.
Leisure travel. Leisure.
Agent travel. No.
Travel.
Business travel.
Teacher.
Plan travel.
Oh, we can't plan to travel anywhere.
Leisure travel.
It's only 2 words.
Teacher.
Tilapati, only 2 words.
Full Ramayana.
Visual travel.
No plan.
Travel ban. Travel ban.
Online travel.
Can't plan.
diary.
Travel ban.
Listing for travel. Listing. Planning.
Online travel.
Virtual travel.
Restricted travel.
Offline travel.
Travel journal.
Restricted
Board
travel.
travel. Board travel.
Nah.
First word or no travel.
No travel. No.
Invisible travel.
Stop travel.
Nowhere to travel. Nowhere.
Empty travel.
I think
Empty-handed travel.
Non-existent. Does not exist.
Cannot travel.
Travel nachi.
Arrow. Direction. Direct travel.
Airplane.
Target.
Aimless
Failed travel.
aimless travel.
East travel.
Miss.
East travel.
Aimless travel.
Missed travel.
Travel.
Nameless.
Long distance travel.
Boring travel. Boring travel.
No, missed.
Somebody already answered correctly.
Pragnya is correct, I believe.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Almost 95% galla.
Word,
Can you repeat again, Pragya?
Missed. She said missed, right? It missed.
Missing travel.
Travel.
Oh,
Miss travel. Miss travel. Missing traveling.
Missing travel.
Missing traveling.
That was a good one, showing that teacher was good.
That is missed. Okay.
missing travel. Missing traveling.
Missing traveling. Right.
That was a good one, like bow and arrow and
That was a good one.
How can you relate bow and arrow to missing?
it missed the arrow.
Don't get you missed the
Oh, okay.
bullseye, no?
Okay.
At least one person got missing.
Very nice, Kavya. So next is Pranav and Sadhna Kini. So Pranav will go.
Okay, Pranav, ready for next? I just want to mention one thing. This list of activities was created by Khushi and very little bit of help from Kedar.
Wow, Khushi. Wow.
That is giving me a look now.
Okay, we missed the starting. आमक internet connection patch येशिला तो join दल्ले. So just the short rules सांगता की.
Why? How सांगता? So तुमगे turn आयल्यारी mainly dumb charades you know no normally.
Yeah.
Why? So what we'll do is that I'll read out the person's name.
Mm-hmm.
She will give the activity. She'll only message you the activity that you need to act.
Okay, on chat.
On chat, and then once you see the activity, you start acting.
Mm-hmm.
And then other people who want to guess will unmute themselves, and they can see.
Sure.
And Parat Sankta sir, if you want to see that person in big screen, please pin the video because they are not speakers right now. They're not speaking. So pin the video. Whoever is doing the acting, just go right click it and pin the video there.
iPhone आर कश करचे?
iPhone आर ना.
Okay, makes sense.
समागत ना, but I think त्या personal वर double click केल्यारी त्या full screen जात की म्हणून. Try करे iPhone आर.
Did you send us the activity, Preeti?
Na, ready va petto hai tuka?
Yeah, sure.
And again, if anyone wants to add themselves to act, looking at this thing, please go ahead and act in the, in the spreadsheet. We'll be calling names one by one. But please add yourselves towards the end. And any children, we will move them onto the top.
One word.
Chess. Playing chess.
Good job, Pranav.
Good job,
Pranav.
Good job.
Anyways, I'm very good at acting.
Thank you.
So it was easy.
Next is Amita Manjeshwar.
Okay.
Okay, Amita, ready?
Amita.
Yeah.
Dozing, sleeping, meditate.
Meditation.
Na, Tika dil matra.
The video is lagging or something.
Video, there is a delay.
Yeah.
Amita, did you get it?
Yep.
Anita.
Okay.
One word.
One word.
Word. First word.
Whisper.
Secret.
Secret.
Gossip.
Gossiping.
Secret.
Spreading rumors.
Singing. Whispering.
Soft.
One word, man.
One word.
Your video was kind of blurry.
Gossip.
Gossiping. Rumor.
Soft spoken.
Wait, झालं.
Word कल.
Gossiping.
It is
Gossiping.
एक मिनट.
The word was panchadik and the meaning was given as gossiping in case someone didn't know.
Amita, your video was so much delay, right? It was hard to, track it.
Mine was what?
मस्त delay असेल तुझ्या video आणि video feed.
You know, iPhone, iPad are तशीच जाता.
वय बा.
Yeah, I always, or maybe iPad are tashata, but Magal, iPad is old. I mean, I literally, as I said, when it opens up, I have to go get my new iPad, but iPad is old. Maybe even Makan this stuff, when I'm doing an action, it comes a little bit delayed, but somebody got it right away.
Yeah. By the time we could get it, things were kind of so much lag.
Yes.
Yeah. I know that. I have a problem with that iPad.
Ramesh, good excuse.
It is true.
कशी पुणे येऊन जाऊ का नव्हता?
First, I thought Amita was saying, dozing, sleeping or something because her eyes were closed and they were not opening for such a long time. So I thought she
True.
Next time, everybody should give Ramesh a chance first.
Yes.
Ramesh, you want to go next, where?
Nara papa, purajan rakunda bli makkita first duche.
Okay, saving best for last Mundista.
Why?
Okay, next is Vijay Pai. Vijay, are you here?
Oops.
Vijay is there.
One second.
Vijay, ready?
Yeah, no, give me 1 minute.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah, try to face the light.
Pin the video, please, so that you can see him.
Vijay Pai, where?
Can everybody see Vijay clearly this way?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Vijay, ready?
Yeah, are you texting me? Or-
Sushi? Yoga. Dumb charades, dumb charades.
Yes. Testing. One. Four words. First word.
First word.
Sleep.
Sleeping.
Sleep during a lockdown.
Sleeping with the enemy.
Second word.
Second word.
So is it all in English?
Sleepover.
Fourth word. Watch.
Time.
More.
Longer.
Alarm clock.
Sleeping all the time.
Close. Sleeping all the
Sleeping
time.
over.
All morning.
Oversleeping.
Sleeping on time.
Tukal mala sleeping.
Lockdown.
Sleeping through the day. Sleeping with the enemy.
Third word.
Third word.
Countdown.
1, 3.
Odd.
Sleeping during
Odd.
Sleeping
Sleeping at the odd time.
Okay. Sleeping at odd times.
Odd hours.
Sleeping at odd hours.
Sleeping at odd hours.
Wow, that was amazing.
Odd hours.
Good one.
Very nice. Very nice, Vijay.
Thanks.
Next is Namrata and Shraddha. Shanoy.
Rita.
तुम कल वीडियो ऑन कराती कि I don't.
Okay, that person should speak so we know who it is.
There it is. Hi, Shraddha.
Hi.
That's Namrata.
Yeah, Kedar, can we move a few numbers because I think she's not ready yet.
Zaida, definitely.
Okay, thank you.
Next one is Vidyut and Prakash.
कौन है केदार?
Vidyut and Prakash. Vidyut.
Okay, Vidyut.
एक मिनट हाँ.
Vidyut and Prakash pai.
हाँ, okay.
How's Vidyut?
So Vidyut mane आता है इतनी लो.
It's hard to find who is Mare. The person who goes pray, he should say something so that his video, I mean, we know who it is.
Yeah, that's true.
Or call his out, call his name out twice maybe.
No. The person whose turn it is, you speak, so we have it on a speaker view, then that person will come into focus.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's hard to make out.
Hello. This is our turn. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yoga.
Anke this cinema कौन
Exercise. Exercise.
कौन मोनो?
आमका कौन मोनो करनी?
Vidyut munas पड़ा. Prakashal children.
Prakashal Babu.
Oh.
Vidyut. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, we can.
Exercise.
Yoga.
Yoga. Yes.
Yoga.
Correct.
Yoga. Yeah.
It's yoga.
Who said that?
I said yoga. I don't know.
Very nice. Vidyut. Next one is Anuya Prabhu.
Anuya.
Hi everybody, I'm here. Discussed पूरा जाना.
सगळ्यांना कळलं अनुई कोण म्हणून कळलं?
Hello.
Yes. एक minute. I'm searching for her.
Hello.
Wait. Nadalari, at least wave karate. Whose turn it is, then we know who it is to pick.
Well, and as Ramesh mentioned, speaker viewer galati. So if that person talks, he'll be coming in front.
Correct.
And then you can pin the video.
Is it Ramesh ma'am now?
Anuya.
Okay.
It's me now.
How many words?
One word. Okay.
One word.
Ironing.
Ocean.
Sprinkle, flowers,
Gardening.
watering, gardening.
Watering the plants.
Gardening. Correct. Someone.
Gardening.
Yeah, gardening.
एक word वे.
Wait.
Preeti, easy kashi dile.
That was a medium. She did a good job. I can't help it. Our web committee is too good. What to do?
So by the way, Anuya is part of our web committee, and they are spending a lot of time sending mails, etc., and updating our websites. Next is Kunal Kodikal.
Akshay, called sneezing.
Karaoke, singing.
Yes, correct. Karaoke.
Oh, wow. Good job, Kunal.
Very nice.
Good, yeah.
Next is Khushi Kodikal.
Arey वाह.
Dancing.
Dancing.
Workout.
Zumba.
Zumba.
Very nice. Doggani gomte takela.
It's Vivek Shanbag. Vivek, you're there?
I don't see Vivek.
Vivek Aswa?
Nadisana.
Okay, then after that is Deepak Pai. And,
Hi.
and just for information, Ami, a list we have made lot of names for the activities. So in case we go through the list fast, we'll go through a second round. So all of you be prepared for a second round. Deepak Pai.
Ha.
Now tashi aswa.
Deepak Pai. Why ask now Deepak Sangha?
Can't find.
Deepak, you talk something, so you'll be on speaker view.
I am ready to act now.
One word.
Singing.
Karaoke. Mic.
Performance.
Bhajan.
Concert.
Singing.
Himish Reshamia.
Playback singing.
Speech.
Background singing.
Speech.
Okay, entity.
No, one word part.
First part.
Two words are breaking into first part. Okay.
Move. Slide.
Half.
Word half.
Moving.
Cut half. Second part.
Second part.
Writing.
Script.
Lyrics.
Movies.
Lyrics.
Script.
Script में.
Deepak is lost. Is it a singer? Nothing to do with singing.
Singing achi. Okay. Lyrics.
Lyricist.
Slide. Rock.
Music artist.
Slide.
Remix.
Music.
Musician.
DJ.
Voice.
Song.
It's come out very good.
Sound
Voice.
recordist में.
Past
Sound
singers.
recordist.
Past singers.
Tone.
Notes.
Singer.
Is it the name of any singer? No.
Is it a type of music? Singing? Okay. Pop? Is it pop? Reggae?
Rock. Pop.
Classical Hindustani.
Rock music. Rock music.
Everyone,
Rapping.
Band.
theme is SIP activity.
Oh.
Oh, it's activity.
So it's a kind of singing, right?
Bathroom singing.
Playback.
Antakshari.
Very nice, Deepak.
Excellent, Deepak. Thank you. Good job.
Yeah, it's very tough to act Antakshari. You know, it's very tough. So very nicely done.
Imagine we had put it as a medium. It looks quite difficult.
The change in language of words makes it trickier.
Why? Next is Sushma Kamath.
Sushma, can you turn on your video?
Say hi.
To this, Anna. Sushma, this the swam of this, Anna. Sushma, you'll have to turn on your video so we can see you. a couple of minutes. We can move on.
Zaida. Magir Adya
The word no video.
Anyone spoke something?
Just joking. What's the word no video?
Hi, Ruby.
Next one is Adya.
How did you say hi, Abhi?
Kedar, Kana?
Adya Kamath.
Who's Adya? Can you turn on your video, please?
Hey Abhi, how are you?
Hey, I'm doing good.
Good to
Hi,
see
Abhi.
Hi.
Hi, Abhi.
I see that you have registered. Thank you.
Yes. I got a reminder from a very beautiful, special person.
I think Adya Kamath is not there. Then next one will go to Ishika Shanbog. Ishika and Sachin Shanbog.
Hi. Can you hear us?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Hi, Ishika. Are you ready? Hi, Ishika.
You'll go first, Ishika.
You want to go first?
Okay. I'll go first, and then Ishika will. She didn't know before I explain what dumb charades is. But
Okay, Sachin. Okay.
The first medium eke hard di Priti.
first is the Magir hard diti. Okay. So Koniki mak message kartas, right?
Yes. Priti.
Karta, 1 minute. Okay, hardest ones hotas.
Hi, Ishika.
Hi, man.
Hi, sweetie.
Got है ना? हाँ, pin video.
Acting.
Got it, Sachin?
Yeah. I got it. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Don't need to hear you.
Not hear you after
No. You can pin the videos. Okay.
You can sing it, that's fine. Good. 4 words.
4 words.
Okay.
First word.
First word.
Small.
Cherdu.
Kids.
Kid.
Kid first.
Second.
Second word.
Kid in the park.
Kids dropping.
Kids day out.
Right.
Kids day out.
It interfering.
Kid is troubling.
Interfere.
Interfere. Disturbing.
Kid disturbing.
With work.
Kid disturbing during meeting.
Closest.
Third word.
Meeting video.
Video call.
Talking.
Fourth word. Video call.
Call. Disturbing during the call.
Third word.
Conference.
Screaming
Conference.
Conference
call.
Kids disturbing during conference call.
Kids disturbing conference call.
Yes.
Nicely done, Sachin.
Very nice. Very
Great
nice.
job, Sachin. That was not easy.
Yes.
What was the thing?
No, it's a reality, so it was easy to hack.
That's why I gave it to you.
What was the? Yeah.
Ishika, want to try?
Disturbing during conference calls.
It was kids disturbing during conference calls.
Oh, okay.
During Nash.
Next is Ishika.
Ishika, okay.
He's giving a clue. Oh, wow.
Her mother.
their line, so I don't
Can you,
think.
can you pin the video? We'll start now.
Okay.
Dance.
Dance.
Dance, dance.
Excellent, Ishika. You're too good, Ishika.
Dance.
Very nice, Ishika.
Dance.
Next, Namrata, Shraddha, you want to go next?
Sure. Sure.
Namrata, ready? Where? You want some more time? It's
No, no, we are ready. You can send. Shraddha will act first.
okay, Shraddha. Okay, 1 second.
First Shraddha, then Namrata, then Prashant.
Okay.
Shraddha, this one. Let's spin this one. Oh, they got the video. You can see it in the face.
Got it, Tia?
Writing.
Homework.
Assignment. Study.
Exam.
Drawing. Painting.
Drawing.
Got it.
Painting. Ari already said yes.
Yes, yes. Drawing.
Drawing, painting.
Very nice, Shraddha.
Hi, Shraddha.
Very nice, Shraddha. Very nice.
Drawing.
Okay.
Next is Namrata Pai.
Namrata Pai. Where is Namrata Pai on my screen?
On the next one?
Yeah, me.
Same. French video pin kore do.
Okay.
Two words.
First word.
Quiet.
Quiet.
Silence. Silence.
Dumb.
And this is meta.
Dumb Sharad. Someone guessed it.
So difficult, this one.
What is the dumb shot?
Good job, Namrata. That was excellent. Good job.
Next
Thank
is
you.
Prashant.
Prashant, ready, where?
Okay.
It's the same person?
Got two.
No, you
Two,
got
eh?
only this.
I got only one. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, he got the word. How many words? Only one word.
Only one word. One word.
First one. Bread.
Cleaning.
Sliced bread.
Half of something.
First half of.
Chop.
Chop. Chopstick. Chop.
Driving. Self-driving.
Starting.
Reverse. Was return.
Chavai, done that.
Shivedant.
Oh, it's something about driving.
Driving.
Long
Drive.
Truck driving.
Truck driving.
Oh, truck driving.
Just
No driving. No driving.
Car racing.
drive.
Car
what's the
racing.
next word?
Car racing.
No. Drive.
Learning is correct.
No. Just drive or pilot or steer.
Bus, train.
Steering.
Drive.
I think it's a word.
Training.
Car.
Long drive.
Steering wheel.
Delivery car.
Turning, no.
Car race.
Learning. Drive. Learning.
Steering.
Race.
Car racing.
Racing.
Race.
Racing.
Racing is correct.
This is the first part of the word.
There's only one word, Ramesh.
Yeah, this is the first part of the word, right?
Racing game.
There's only one game. One
Yeah,
word.
but first part of the one word is
Right.
drive.
The one word that means steering.
Drive.
Right.
Driving.
Drive.
Drive.
Driven.
Through. Ing.
Race.
Mm.
Something race.
Steering. Racing.
Driveway.
Wait, but that's the first part.
Racing.
Driving.
Speed racing or something like that. Speeding.
One word.
Accident.
Oh no.
Crashing.
Dashing cars.
Sightseeing.
One word.
One word.
Half
Breaking
part.
into-
Okay. Oh, that's
Made it into three parts.
Oh, one word
Third
divided
part.
into 3 parts.
Third part. Okay.
Is it
First
self-driving
part
car?
is
First
drive.
So, autopilot,
Turn.
autopilot car?
Car. Car is first word.
Car. Okay.
Car is
Second part.
Carpool.
Carpool.
Draw. Car.
Right.
Gray.
Car drives.
Something else is getting shared.
Something's
Oh, I'm viewing Sachin Shank's screen.
Your screen.
Share बंद कर तो है.
yeah, we can't see her.
What we forgot? What was it?
Car, draw.
Main.
Crayon.
Pool.
Doodling.
Carpooling.
No, doodling. Noodle. What is it? Noodle.
Car line.
Car loading.
Carving.
Car line.
Car
runs
runs through. Runs.
No, like a noodling.
Carpenter.
Cargo.
Oh,
Carpenter.
Oh, carpenter.
Good one though. Good try. Good attempt.
What is the word? Carpenter or
Carpenter.
oh, carpenter.
Namrata, good job though. Very nice.
Kinar, can you just repeat the word, please? Which was the right one?
Carpentry.
Carpentry. Oh, you could have done like this.
Right, thank you.
Yeah,
That's what
Prashant was trying
I
that.
tried to do something, but it's very difficult. Carpet.
They were very.
Yeah, we
put it into three पढ़ा.
It is probably easier to guess that way.
But Namrata, you did it well. The three
Thank
parts
you.
and very nice.
Yes.
Yeah, that was amazing.
Next one is Divya Prabhu.
Ready, Divya?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm ready.
Am I allowed to guess?
You have to put your volume off.
Yeah, you can guess on mute.
Divya, you need to talk. So
Okay, I'm talking. Blah blah blah. So I don't see any message yet.
Yeah, Preeti will send.
Okay.
Change word, invisible message.
How many words? 3 words.
3 words.
3.
Second
word.
Second
word.
Laughing. Laughing.
Laughter.
Hilarious. Funny.
Loud.
Funny.
Funny.
Funny. Okay. Third word.
Third word.
Oh, making funny videos.
Oh God.
Who guessed it? Who guessed it?
Very nice, Sadhana. Very nice.
Wow, Sadhana, that was amazing. Good job.
आज सगळे videos कंकाची नाव पेटीत असती त्यामुळे
You acted well.
Oh, thanks. Next, I think it's my Bhagel's turn to Mama.
Sanjay.
बहुत संजय difficult होता just couple of minutes.
nothing to do with videos, huh?
I'll start. Maybe it is 5 words.
Oh.
Can you see? Look, I put Gmail. If you don't have Gmail,
How many words?
2 words.
Two.
Right.
Meeting.
Fighting.
Social distancing.
Fighting. Social distancing.
चिमट काढचे.
5 words, right? 5 words. The first word.
Second word. Second word.
Second word.
2 words.
Two
Just 2
words.
words. Okay. 2 words. The first word.
Word.
Okay, what is that?
Breaking into 2
Oh,
parts.
first word is divided into 2.
Second part of the first word.
Second part.
Second part.
Second word.
Cold.
Cold. Feeling cold. Feeling cold.
Chill.
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 Chilling. Chilling.
Freeze.
Freezing.
Ice.
Chill out.
Chilling.
Chilling.
Shivering. Shivering.
Frozen.
Children.
Chill.
First part
First part.
of the first word.
Writing.
Teacher. Professor.
Teaching
Professor.
children.
Lecturer. Instructor.
Madam.
Teacher.
Lecturer.
Not in English.
Principal.
Gurukul.
Non-English. Non-English.
Gurukul.
Gurukul.
Classes.
Gurukul. Gurukul.
The word. Oh, cool. Good one.
Very nice, Sanjay.
Thank you.
Who guessed it? Gurukul class is the answer.
Wow.
Classes. Oh, okay.
Who guessed it?
केदार सांगले कसले?
Guess केलं.
Maybe he guessed it.
Oh, सांगले. Okay.
Wait. Gurukul classes guess केलं त्याने.
Oh, very.
First, what did he do? Starting, he
Cool.
pushing his wife.
Oh.
So Sanjay, what were you pushing your Divya?
I was trying to teach her.
You were trying to collect?
Trying to teach.
Oh, teacher.
पण की मला चिमट काढा म्हणून.
What are you teaching her, Sanjay?
I was thinking that you have to teach the guru.
And it's so funny. It's so funny when he touched his wife, someone said fighting.
I said fighting. Somebody said चिमट काढा म्हणून.
Yeah. Actually, I was also taking the opportunity to chimp cut it.
Totally unrelated, no, Sanjay?
Next is Acharyas. Are you guys there?
कौन?
Mihir Acharya,
Mihir.
Aruna Acharya. Asat, where?
I don't see.
Apna next.
Okay. Next is Vikram Bhatt.
Okay, Vikram, ready?
Hi, you can send it to Rajnish and I.
Huh.
But I'll be acting.
Oh,
Looking for something difficult. 1 minute, okay?
Difficult one for the dumb guy.
Here's Rajnish and I. Let's spin this.
Hi.
Can everyone see Vikram? Vikram, talk and please spin it.
Hi.
Yeah. So pin Rajnish and I, not Vikram, but.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Vikram, Khushi picked this for you, okay?
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Kalki funny asa.
5 words.
Oh, 5 words. Wow.
First word. Third word.
The first one has 3 parts.
3 parts.
Third word. Third word.
Oh, 3 words. Okay.
3 words. 3 words.
3 letters. First
3 words. Pulling the
hair.
Pulling your hair.
Frustrated.
Plucking.
Oh, plucking. Plucking.
Plucking white hair.
Plucking your eyebrows.
Second word.
third word.
Third word.
Plucking.
Hair.
Hair.
Plucking no hair.
Plucking your hair.
Plucking your hair.
खुशी नहीं दिया रे.
4 and 5.
Hey.
Out of frustration.
Good one.
Amazing. Who was that guessing?
His brother.
Ooh, the brother knew it. Wow.
Telepathy.
Brotherly connection across the Shelton place.
कौन है guess के लिए?
Vishwas.
Oh, okay.
Vishwas.
Hello, Bhau.
So the answer is plucking your hair in frustration.
Thank you, Kushi.
Okay.
Hair na pado dile mein word.
Next is Radha. Radha Kini.
Hi, Radha.
Hi.
Radha, nice.
Difficult, do Radha.
Naka.
Difficult, huh? Okay.
Nice, Radha Magdasana. Oh, wait.
That's
कौन दादा?
Pretty easy one, na?
So Radha, you got it, no?
No, not yet. Oh, okay. I'll.
2 words.
2 words.
2 words. Second word.
Second.
Two words. First word.
First word. Okay.
Big.
Shrugging.
Yoga classes.
App exercise.
App
challenge.
Okay.
Wow, that's amazing, Radha.
I had to just show the first word. Smart audience.
What was the word?
App challenge.
App challenge. Okay.
Next is Kirti Pai.
How do you go gallery view?
Kirti Pai, we don't see you on video. Can you just turn on your video?
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't. Okay. Who is that?
Kirti Pai, swear. I don't think. So we'll move on. Next is Sheila Kalyanpur. Sheila Pachi.
अरे बाप रे.
Mummy difficult है ना?
No. कौन कुणाल select करता है?
Madam Shilabachi?
Madam?
Yeah, got it. Yeah.
How many words? 2 words.
First word.
Praying.
Praying.
Meditation.
Meditation.
Bhajan.
Bhajan. Om Namah
Prayer.
Shivaya.
Chanting.
Om Namah Shivaya.
Om chanting.
Om chanting.
Om chanting.
Anika saying chanting.
Prayer and bhajan.
Yoga.
Prayer and bhajan.
Wow, Sharmila.
Sharmila, correct. Prayer and bhajan. Okay.
Prayer and bhajan.
Sharmila, I almost checked if I chatted with you by mistake.
She said the exact words.
Nice.
Wow, great job, both of you.
Very nice. Sharmila, good.
Both
Next-
patients, sir.
Next is Divya Naik. Divya Naik as well.
Atta Shili, but at this.
Divya is, I can see Divya. Divya, you'll have to switch on your video.
Please wave. She's not there.
Divya, can you turn on your video?
She is not on.
Okay, then next is Acharya, Ram Acharya, Aruna Acharya and Mihir Acharya.
I think the whole family is not there.
Whole family is not there? Okay. Next is Abby and Ramesh. So I think they'll go separate. So you can give two difficult to separate difficult to both of them.
Oh God.
To the nicest people you want to give difficult ones.
Tell me who's going first, then I'll decide whether to pick difficult or easy.
Then I know who's going to get the difficult one.
Abby is going first?
Yeah.
Okay, good to know.
She's sending me the most. She's searching her list to find out the most difficult one.
So easy for you, Abby.
That she'll reserve it for Ramesh.
Yeah, that's reserved for him.
We will switch then. Depending upon the word, we will switch.
Oh my God, he's too dangerous. Abby, you want to finish with Ramesh first?
No, we want to keep it a suspense. Preeti, must wear Soditas Mugoto.
Kedar, how did he do that background? Kao ka damsharats mono?
So if you log in through Zoom, you can log in. This Ring Central is
oh my God.
Backend is Zoom. So you can log
Okay.
in via Zoom, and Zoom you can put a virtual background. So I just
Wow.
screen and put it there.
So Kedar, we can use Zoom app to come in to this same thing?
Yes,
We can
yes.
join?
You can just join meeting and put the meeting ID. You get in through Zoom.
Oh.
You want me to do? Yeah. Oh my God.
Okay, ready? Abby, Ramesh?
Got it?
It's Abby. It's Abby.
Should I mute myself?
Yes.
Yes.
2 words.
2 words.
2 words.
Second word.
First word. Second.
Two words, is it?
Pray.
Half of the first word. The
Half
first
of first word.
Third place.
Fourth.
Prasad.
Prasad.
Shelter.
On
Shelter.
top. On top. On top.
Shelter in
Top,
place.
top,
On
on
top.
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 On.
On.
On air.
On demand.
Online.
Online.
Zoom on.
Online.
Online.
First word is online.
Second one.
Online meetings.
Online schooling.
Online
schooling.
Online learning.
Online
Learning.
Online
Online
teaching.
learning.
Classes.
Online teaching.
Online classes. Classes.
Office.
Classes.
Online classes.
Online classes.
Classes.
Very nice, Abby.
Excellent, Abby.
Very nice. On
Good one.
I had people guessing it good, okay? I was shocked. I don't know how to do it.
No, but you did very well. You broke
Did
it up.
very
into
well.
two. Online, you broke it up into two. Very nice.
Thank you.
Hey, Sudhir. Hey, Kavita.
Okay, now we know it's Ramesh.
Oh, I'm already shivering.
अभी साउंड बंद कर नहीं तो सुनाई देगा बात
हाँ, ठीक है।
Okay, everyone go on a long break because it's going to take a while.
What? Cannot hear you.
Yeah, Anike, word.
You should read their mouth.
काउंट कर तसं पण
वर्ड झूम काउंट करता ते I was seeing Abhi's lips only.
Ramesh gets to
Seven.
do the right thing.
Seven words.
Seventh word.
Seventh word.
Everyone.
All of us.
Community. Community.
Gathering.
People.
Group. Okay.
Group. Okay.
Seventh word is group.
Sixth word.
Sixth word.
Eating.
Lunch.
Cooking.
Food.
Hey, what's in pantry group?
Food.
Food.
Pantry.
A Facebook food group.
Cooking.
Sixth word, seventh word is done.
Cooking.
Sixth and seventh is food and
Cooking group.
last word is something.
Cooking group.
The pantry.
What's in your pantry cooking
Yeah.
group?
What's in the pantry?
What's in the pantry cooking group?
What's in the pantry?
Pantry.
Cooking.
What's in your kitchen?
What's in the
First word.
First word.
Facebook cooking group.
First word.
First word.
Cooking.
Cooking.
First word is cooking.
First word cooking.
Cooking your favorite food.
Cooking.
Third word.
Third word.
Online.
Foodie.
Instagram.
Video.
Posting.
Posting.
Posting your cooking.
Cooking and posting. Cooking and posting.
Food group.
In the food group.
Food in group.
In a food group.
Cooking and posting on food group.
Food group.
No. There's one more word. Sorry. There's one more word.
Posting your recipe.
Cooking and posting on
Facebook food group.
Posting
Facebook food group.
recipe on the Facebook group.
WhatsApp.
Pictures.
There's a lag.
Yeah.
Video freeze the lag.
Lag. This all of us talking. I think lag.
Fifth word.
Fifth word.
Breaking
Half.
into two parts.
Second word.
Second part.
On.
Online.
Online.
Cooking and posting in an online.
Online in the cooking group.
Facebook group.
Fantastic, Ramesh and Abhi.
Wow, that was amazing.
Good one.
Yeah, Preeti, I told you I'm really
Oh my
good.
God, Preeti, I said, wow.
What is the full line? Can you repeat once, please?
I think
And posting in online food groups.
Okay.
I think Kavita has to pitch it and get them a Tesla. It was that good.
Man, I was sweating though.
First you were having chills now, eh?
Yeah.
Next Kana Kedar.
Pradnya Naik.
Okay, that's me.
Everyone can see Pradnya?
Yeah.
Hey, Sudhir, hey, Kavita. Tumgel, now last girl Chikkavagi, I'm going to be register your names.
I think we are registered, Kedar. Ritika, she wants to do it.
Okay, okay. Sounds good.
Got it, Pradnya?
How many words?
Three words. First word.
First word.
Cleaning.
Cleaning
Cleaning the house.
Third word.
Cleaning the
groceries.
Cleaning the house.
Cleaning the house.
Cleaning the house.
Very nice.
Good job.
Thank you.
Next is Devdatta Pai.
Devdutt Bab, are you ready? Yes. Ready.
Yo.
Can you wave?
One word.
Knocking.
One word. Knocking. One word.
One word.
One word.
One word.
One word.
Okay.
One word.
Huh. Yeah.
Playing games.
Oh, bingo.
Mixing.
Erasing.
Drawing. Painting.
Drawing. Painting.
Got it.
Wow, Devdutt, amazing, Devdutt.
Good job.
What's the word?
Painting.
Knitting.
It was painting. Good job, Devdutt.
Painting.
Next is Ritika Bhatt.
Okay.
Hi, Ritika, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, Ritika.
Kavita, it's under Kavita.
This start, right?
Ritika, हाथ wave करगा.
No, can she talk something?
Yeah, she's waving.
Okay.
Okay, wave करे.
Kavita.
Why? It is under Kavita.
Yeah. So Ritika is going to imitate. Okay. Oh, okay.
Videos are it's not you can answer.
Two
Two
words.
Words.
Yeah.
Second word.
First
First
word.
word.
First word.
First word.
Break.
Half.
No. Cancel.
Answer.
First word.
First word.
First word. Okay.
Break.
No. First word is no. Nothing. Empty.
First part is no.
First word.
First word. No cutting.
It's just one word.
Oh, it's just one word. Okay.
Okay.
First one word.
Cut.
Okay.
Cut into two parts.
Stopping action.
Wave.
Right.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Is it goodbye?
Cutting.
The first word.
No, second part of the first word.
Second part of the first word. Okay.
Is it bye?
Goodbye.
Shopping.
Second part of the first word.
Wave.
First
One word.
one word.
First part.
Got it.
Wave.
Bye.
Waving.
Bye.
See you.
Wave.
Bye.
Wave. Okay. Wave.
Waving.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hiking. Hiking.
Hiking.
Second part.
Right. Yeah, hiking. It was hiking.
Oh.
Hiking. Okay, good one. Good one.
Good job, Ritika. Good job, Ritika.
Thank you.
Good job, Ritika. Let's have a second round.
Yeah.
We'll start from top again. We'll have Vihan Bhatt again.
Kedar, can you have me after him because I want to go and Arun Akchike help coaches.
Okay, Zaid. Vihan Bhatt.
Vihan, are you ready?
Yes.
Go, Vihan.
One word.
One word.
Meditation.
Meditation.
Meditating.
Meditating.
Meditating. Om Namah Shivaya. Okay.
Meditate.
Great job, Vihan. Great job. Good job, Vihan. Thank you.
Next is Sheila Kalyanpur.
Yeah.
Ready, mummy?
एक मिनट पढ़ेता
नहीं पेट है नहीं रहा.
Okay.
Knitting.
One word.
One word.
Walking.
Walking.
Very nice.
Great job. Good job, Mama.
Thank you.
Vikram, you're on a roll.
Kedar Preeti हांचिके तग होता because Arun भाईची presentation ना कर. Bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye, Mama.
Bye Gomtia.
Next is Vishwas Bhatt.
Ready.
Next corner.
Vishwas Bhatt.
Okay, Vishwas, ready?
Yeah, ready.
movies.
Four words. Second word.
5 words.
Okay. Eating. Okay. Fourth word. Pani puri.
Serving.
Serving what?
Sitting down. Table. Dining table.
Kitchen.
Buffet. Server. Waiter.
Restaurant. Hotel. Restaurant.
Fourth word.
Fourth word is restaurant.
Restaurant.
Third
Third
word.
word. Sit down. Down.
Takeouts.
Carry out.
Out in. Dine in restaurant.
Carry out.
In.
Takeouts.
Takeout restaurant. Eating.
No eating at in restaurant.
Dish in the dishwasher.
First word. No.
No eating in restaurants.
No.
Don't. Miss eating in the restaurant.
Missing eating at restaurant.
Excellent.
What was the phrase?
missing of Miguel action standard.
Missing eating in restaurants.
Missing eating in restaurant. Okay.
तो कौन गेस केला?
हाँ
कौन हाँ?
माधुरी.
Oh, hey Madhuri.
Hi Madhuri.
Hi.
Excellent job. Job, Ani. Even the actor was too good.
Next is Kavya Bhatt.
Kavya, ready?
Staring. Smiling.
No,
Dreaming.
waiting for the phrase.
Okay, now she got it. Okay.
One
word.
Book.
Bookmark. Stargazing.
Sewing. Knitting.
Crossword.
Needle point.
Sudoku.
Gaming. Game.
Bingo.
Yes.
Oh.
Bingo.
Good job, Kavya.
Sorry, but yay.
We thought of all games, huh?
Next is Pranav and Sadhna Kini.
Okay. You.
Okay.
You.
That's us.
Ready?
Pranav, this is
Hi. Hi. Ready? Hi,
Hi.
Unmute.
I'm back again.
Running.
Jogging.
Running.
yes, you got it.
Done. Running.
Someone that was correct.
Exercise.
No, someone said jogging. That was correct.
Okay.
Very nice, Pranav.
I heard that, but my mom wouldn't reply. I didn't hear that. Okay.
Poor thing, until then he was joking.
Exercise done.
But she wanted you to get some exercise, Pranav.
Next is Vijay Pai. Vijay Swag. Okay, then next is Namrata and Shraddha Shenoy.
Sure.
Namrata, ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
हाथ पेटेल का
green
Three words.
Third word. Down. In. Home.
House.
House.
Housey.
Home.
Stay
Shelter.
Shelter.
At home.
Shelter in place. Shelter in place.
Stay at home.
Stay at home.
Shelter.
First word.
First word.
Work from home.
Work from home.
Work from home.
Very nice, Shraddha.
Vikram, you have a PhD in this game.
I think Vikram and Rajni played at home all the time.
There were a lot of practice.
Next is Vidyut and Prakash. Are you guys there? Okay, then next is Anuya Prabhu.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay.
Anuya, ready?
Yes. Easy again, okay, Preeti?
Can everyone
Oh,
see?
again, huh? Okay, she's acting.
3 words. Third word.
Husband.
Couple.
Bamun. Boyfriend.
Spouse.
Husband.
Brother.
Spouse.
Husband.
House.
What? Husband.
First word.
Spouse.
Argument.
Arguing with spouse.
Argument. Fight.
Arguing with
Arguing.
Arguing with spouse.
Arguing.
Wow, Divya, you got it.
Very nice, Divya. Very nice.
Good job.
What was the third word?
Arguing with spouse.
Oh, okay.
Next is Kunal Kodikal.
Kunal, Preeti.
Studying.
Reading a book.
Yes.
Reading.
Yes, you got
Reading a
it.
book.
Yes, got it.
Studious.
Reading.
Okay.
Got it. Thank you.
Next is Kushi Kodikal.
She's so cute.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Are props allowed?
Why props allowed?
Pillow
fighting. Pillow fighting. नहीं pillow.
Why? Pillow fight. Next is Devdutt Pai.
Good job, Kushi. She took it very seriously.
Yeah, she got her range on you.
Kalala chance. Okay, stop. Next corner.
Devdutt Pai. Can everyone see Devdutt?
Yes.
They are here.
Akka. Enjoy. Okay.
Robe. Bathrobe. Towel.
Knitting.
Stitching.
Sewing.
Crochet.
Someone got it.
Crochet.
Embroidery.
Knitting.
Sewing.
It was sewing. Someone said it.
Someone said it. Very nice.
What's the right word?
Doing.
Okay.
Very nice.
Excellent, Devdutt. Good job, Devdutt.
Next is Deepak Pai.
Ready, Deepak?
Oh, he got a hint.
Okay, tak just send it to Deepak.
Two words. First word.
Magazine.
Dice.
Board games.
Gamble.
Ludo. Board games. Okay.
Got it. Vikram. You're on the roll.
Vikram, maybe we should just mute you.
Very nice, Vikram. Very nice, Deepak.
Hey, by the way, there's two of Vikram also.
That's scary.
This is actually Rajni guessing.
Next is Sushma Kamath and Adya Kamath. Are they there? Inati.
Asatva? Any video off ke liya?
And next is Ishika Shanbog. Ishika is there. Ishika Shanbog. Next is Divya Prabhu.
Okay. This one.
Divya, ready ba? Sanjay?
Yeah, ready.
Okay.
So can everyone see Divya?
Yes. Can you see me?
Yes.
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 Yes. Yes.
Right. On कर.
Two words.
Two words, okay. Stool. Surface.
Sitting.
Fixing.
Handyman.
Woodwork.
Handyman.
Do it yourself.
Handyman. Do it yourself.
Do it yourself projects.
Repair.
Stool.
Home
Furniture.
project.
Furniture.
It's 2 words.
Fixing the furniture. Building the furniture. Set up the furniture.
Repairing.
Moving. Movers.
Fixing your furniture.
Buying furniture. Setting up furniture.
Assembling your chair.
Assembling the chair.
Okay.
Yes, correct. Someone got it. Assembling furniture. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Very nice, Divya.
Great job, Divya. Pradya, great job. All of you.
Next is Sanjay Prabhu.
Okay, Sanjay, ready?
Right. Mute.
Okay, this one was given by Kunal.
One word.
One word.
One word.
Split.
Split.
Two parts of the first word. Okay. Two parts. First part.
Poster. Frame.
Where?
Frame. Poster. Square. Picture. Square. Photo.
Monitor.
Frame.
Photo.
Picture.
Photo frame.
Photography.
Photograph. Okay. What is second half? Yeah.
Self.
Photo bombing.
Photo
shoot.
Who got that?
Photo bombing.
What was the word?
Photo bombing.
Photo
bombing. Villain.
Yeah.
Sanjay. It was very cute, Sanjay.
Sanjay ka chocolate
I think Acharya is here. I can see Mihir there. Mihir, would you like to go? अरुणा तुमका वॉचेस की थोडे वेळ जाय
So we'll take some more time. So you can let somebody else.
Okay. Next is Vikram Bhatt.
Oh, the PhD goes now.
Preeti, सगळ्यात difficult दिसता का?
तो guess करूक ना जाल्यार.
नाही आम्ही ते एक कशील पळ्यात. So you are hesitant to give it त्या दिता का?
No, not me. I am not giving that. You give.
तर माक पिंक कर हांव ताक दितो, ओके?
अयो तुझ करी.
मला ना ते शीट आता एक मिनिट.
Send it to Rajneesh and
Tak pete tve?
तू खंच म्हणतस पण माग चॅट विंडोन बरे
ते हाच बद्दल एक
ना 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 मोना का जस्ट माग चॅट
म्हणा ऑब्वियसली म्हणा.
Oh, he got the word.
चॅट विंडोन बरे ते तू बरे तक
Okay.
That's idea by the way.
Best of luck, Vikram.
केदार बरं आहे.
He had the previous one. Pull the hair in frustration or something.
Kedar, can you send it to Rajni Shane?
Oh, Rajni है एक मिनट हाँ तुक पटेल है.
Yeah.
Who's doing it? Is it?
It is Vikram.
No, but Rajni Shanoy ko diya na. So who's?
नहीं but
Vikram only.
Hi. Can I use props?
No, you're not supposed to use props.
Oh God.
Oh, I thought you could use props. earlier.
5 words.
5 words.
Not Vikram. He's an expert.
Second word.
Third word.
Second and third word combined.
And third.
Cycling. Rotating.
Tire.
No, film roll.
Record.
Schooling.
Ready.
Lapet.
Oh, toilet paper.
Target roll.
Toilet paper. First one. Okay.
Third.
You have 5 words. Okay, 5 words. Fifth word. Okay.
Water.
Oh.
Flush the toilet.
Flush.
Flush your toilet.
Toilet paper. Lota.
Lota.
Mug. Lota.
Mug.
Tumbler. Mug.
Mug and toilet paper.
No.
Using toilet paper.
First word. Okay. First word.
Mug and toilet paper.
On.
Replacing.
Replace toilet paper with mug.
Good job.
Very good job, Vikram. So Preeti didn't want to censor this, but I got it on.
I had removed it from the Excel sheet and this guy put it back in. How I delete केलं?
Okay, next is just a minute.
Just a minute.
Next is Abby and Ramesh. So Abby.
Oh my Lord. Okay.
First is Abby and then is Ramesh.
Okay, we'll do that. All right. Let me mute my line.
Yeah, be easy this time, okay?
Two words.
Two words.
Second word.
First word.
Vacuuming.
Land moving. Lawn moving.
Vacuuming.
Vacuum cleaner.
Vacuum cleaner.
Vacuum cleaning.
Vacuuming and cleaning.
Vacuum cleaning.
Yes, got it. Vacuum cleaning.
Got it.
Arey wah.
Excellent, Abby.
Not have my audio on.
Ramesh, where?
So next is Ramesh.
It was very easy for Abhi. You should have given a tough one for Abhi.
No, the first one was difficult, poor thing. So, no, even Ramesh gets easy, okay?
Naka, Ramesh anak easy.
That's it.
मैं तो expert है sir.
ಕೇದಾರು ಥೋಡೆ ಪುಣಿ ಪಾಪ್ ಲಾಕ್ರೆ ಮಿಗಲ್ ವೈರಿ
How to call standard एकदम high कौन सोले है रमेश?
Five words.
Fifth one. Small children.
Kids. Children.
Children.
Kids.
Kid.
Five words.
Five.
Second word.
First word kids, sir.
Kirkiri.
Frustrated.
Kirkir.
Irritation.
Irritated.
Irritated.
Kids
Irritate.
irritate.
Kids irritate.
Kids is last word.
Irritated.
Parents
Irritated by the kids.
Parents irritated by the kids.
Kids irritated by the parents.
Getting irritated by the kids because of kids.
Very nice, Ramesh.
Amazing. Good job. Amazing.
Very good.
You're right, Kedar. We need high standards for Ramesh.
Who guessed it?
I think Vikram.
Everybody.
Next is Ramesh and Anita.
You acted so well, Ramesh. Ramesh, ma'am, you acted so well. Everybody guessed it so easily.
Thank you.
Next is Ramesh Shanoy and Anita Shanoy. Are you guys there? Next is Ritika Bhatt.
I saw them. Kavita, yeah.
Ready, Ritika?
I didn't get the.
Yeah, I'll just send you, okay?
Same place as last time. 9 o'clock Jamaican.
Okay, just send her, okay?
Send one.
We can go. One word.
Oh, one word.
Crazy. Having fun.
Eating.
Hogging. Mango.
Fast
eating.
Fast
eating.
Excited about eating.
Stuffing.
Overeating.
Hurry.
One word.
Someone
Yes.
just said it actually.
Check it up.
Overeating.
Yes. That's the word.
Correct.
Oh, someone got it. It's overeating.
Overeating.
कौन guess किया है?
Me, Uma.
Oh, nice, Uma. Hello, Uma.
Great job, Uma. Sana.
Next is Pradnya Naik.
Hi, everyone.
Hello.
Who's next?
Pradnya Naik.
Hi, Pradnya. Pradnya, Khushi gave this to you, okay?
It's nice to see the expression that is like, oh.
Two words.
Second word.
Second word.
Sleeping.
Dreaming.
Bored.
Daydreaming.
Daydreaming.
Yes, got it, got it.
Oh, daydreaming.
Amazing, huh? Who said that?
Kavya.
Kavya, great. Good acting, Pradnya.
Nice word.
So next we have Acharya. Mihir, are you ready? Mihir? Aruna, are you guys there?
He's muted.
Me here.
Maybe next pick karke that.
Next is Alle. Anyone else wants to go?
She's singing some song there.
Tangal video on, sir.
Audio off astal tangale.
Right. Mihir?
Maybe give a call to Aruna. Preeti.
So anyone else wants to go? If not, then
Milin Mom, you want to try Milin Mom?
No. I'm not good at these things.
Anyone
I'm
else?
so dumb that the dumb charades run away from me.
Anyone else wants to go?
Yeah, I can try.
Okay, Namrata.
Okay, Namrata. Okay, just send it to her.
Two words.
Second word. Sleeping. Sleep.
Sleepover. No.
No. Resting.
Nap.
Sleeping and
Nap.
Napping.
Nap. Nap.
Nap time.
Afternoon nap. Afternoon nap.
Cat nap.
Power nap. Power nap.
Cat nap.
No.
Napkin.
Kidnap.
First word.
Pull.
Pull.
Tug.
Ask. Get.
Tug.
Pull.
Yeah, first word is
Nap. Second word.
Overnap.
Overnap.
Oversleep.
Oversleep. No.
no. The first one she have to do.
Is nap the correct?
Take nap. Take nap.
Take a
Take nap. Take nap.
Nap. Okay, take a nap.
Take nap.
Take a nap.
Take a nap.
Close, actually. Very close.
Very close. It's
Oh.
taking naps.
Oh, taking.
Yeah, that qualifies. Excellent.
Right.
Good job.
Thank you.
Thanks, Namrata.
Anyone else would like to go? If not, then we can end it here. It was a very nice session. Everyone enjoyed a lot. Thanks everyone for attending. It was a fun session.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kushi, too, for doing first half.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Good night. Thank you.
Good night.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Good night.
Bye. Bye, Kunal. Bye, Kunal Kushi. Bye.
Vikram, you get the prize, okay?
Tesla?
Yeah, Ramesh ma'am will give the Tesla to you.
Yeah, you can drive to Ramesh's house.
Ramesh has already left before he gives away the Tesla.
Ramesh went to sleep.
Hired by the president now. So
He's taking naps.
Choose pick up or delivery.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Pia.
Bye, Shada. Bye.
Bye, Pranav.